Run! Hey, there's water! Hey, water! Come here!
Hello.
Okay, not here.
No.
Then we all go outside. You take me, okay? Come follow me.
Now we go. Ow!
Follow.
Come, let's go. Okay. You ready?
Ready?
One chance.
Hey, come.
Ready?
Did you stop? Did you stop the recording?
No, second I'll do so again.
Inim na nga. Come. Aro. Let's sit. Panigiri na.
Panigiri says.
Ka. Asoy ay na bujar de. Okay, doing the front now.
Stay way up.
Like this.
I can go there.
This fly. These are the paddy fields in Cheda village. Yeah, this is so beautiful. And this looks like a resting shed, and there are also mangoes there. Yellow is my favorite color, so I'm gonna pick some and put it in my ear. Hi. Hui. Watashi wa star. Star. Hey. Wow.
You eat the water.
No?
You eat the water. Give it.
Wash it. Road. So steep. Oh my god. Ooh. Hi. We finally reached. Oh my god, and this finally we reached in the paddy field. And I'm really using the wrong shoes, okay? I'm in chapel. Ayaka. See there, like pineapples and mangoes and the paddy field. Like, it's so pretty. I love it. Oh! Why did you hide this, huh? This, whose is this?
알레 또 다음 하올래. 오콜 리해사.
Look there.
이거 써.
Okay, then hold like this.
아연에서 내
Don't
투치래.
close this one.
이내서 내 주란.
You hold like this. Don't
아소.
this one here. 자, 하.
포토네 가사가 에라가 스테이터스 하고.
언니 해 이거. 비주얼이 해. 아치 쓰면 안 나.
토소 어렸어.
또 채너 오트즈레레세 오트즈레나 너 오로고 모터 사토레레 또 채너
It is so hot here. I'm sweating, bro. Since I'm not using long pen, my aunt told me not to come because there are like so many mosquitoes here. And just look at the condition of my crocs. Farmlife, okay? This is my uncle's farm. There are pineapple, ginger, bananas, and what more? And mango. There's a big mango tree there. Big mango tree and the paddy fields. And there is Una, the pineapple. Oh, I cannot go further because there are lots of mosquitoes. And my leg is already full of mosquitoes bites. Oh, scary!
이저 신년이 시대. 이 달로이 배 다이서 될로 기라저래래.
Okay. Anh guru nào xí đó, na zo. I have a habit of rolling my legs inside. Oh my god! Just look at the leg. Oh, the leg is overflowing with water. This is. Oh, there's so many dragonflies everywhere. That is really good. Squirrel nuts and the butterflies. The road that leads to the farmhouse, let's just say farmhouse, it's very far and I'm out of breath right now, but regardless, the place is very beautiful. Give up on this. So right now me and my mother are walking towards that place to take snail from one of the villagers, and these are all bananas. Wow, that is the place where people bought. Looks like it. I just lost my lip gloss, my romance lip gloss. See, the sun is making my skin look so glowy, and Oh yeah, my face is burning from the sun. So we bought this lemon and snail. Also snail no tudula. Oh, the snail was 100 and the lime was for 50 rupees. We got so many. So it's a steal deal. And see, there's my mother. My mother is there. This little tree house. Tree house she. Why? Also you do go. Kitty gore. Resting shed. Also no. But the say. Then wait. Let me show you guys the corn. Maize, corn, whatever. And then see. Oh my god. He hit. What is this hole? I don't even know, but this is like beans, big beans. We can eat it raw, nah. And then guess what? My leg, yeah, itching. My leg is itching a lot. And then yeah, hair beans. This is the long beans. So what can you see? Wow, it's very rich in vegetables. I swear to God, like all my body is itching like anything. Chutney 치다 이거. 한 모터. 치리. 왜? 빵 못나? Look at this. 물어보고 자지. This video looks so dreamy. River. Berry. And these are kuchu. Pluck some ginger. Some ginger. Yeah. 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 Okay. Drida.
김을 좀.
People like pineapples. Same though.
생들인데.
And then he come. He put
이거 조금 어떤 니가 되고.
오늘 다시 못 온다.
also taking na nicely.
Yeah, I'm taking. So this
You tell.
this is hamburg, and this is be something, and that one is pineapple, but no, Vemo. It's not good. So these are so many things today. So this is the view of the Suzu. Very pretty. See all the mountains and right here. Wow, so pretty.
Show them this one.
Oh, look at this. Wow, beans.
Very hot.
Yes, it's damn freaking
Also
hot.
lemon no.
이거 벗기는 거에 그래서 벗어. 많이 섞여 쓰시 뭐.
And my
막걸리
auntie
줘.
is
이 빠지
washing
줘.
her plate. And wow! Let's go. Will be so tasty. Yummy.
This is going to be very heavy to carry.
Yep. And
Look
this
at
is
this. See.
yes. Wow. This is this thing. Brinjal. This is called brinjal tree. So nice. Pretty view.
Let me take. Hey,
1, 2,
this
3.
is all the stuffs we're taking back home. 저, 왔어.
Whoa, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4!
Wait. No, wait.
Give.
Don't let it fall, okay?
So we're going to home. That's why there are so many fruits and some vegetables.
We are done for the day and going home.
And
This is the view. We are waiting for Aso's dad to go back to Kohima.